In today's video, I will walk you through how to adjust speed video. In Clipchamp, open your project in Clipchamp and drag your video onto the timeline. Click the video clip to select it. On the right side panel, click Speed. You can use the speed slider or enter a speed value manually. If you enter a value below 1 times, such as 0.5 times, the video will play slower. If you enter a value above 1 times, such as 2 times or 4 times, the video will play faster. For example, 0.5 times plays the video at half speed, 2 times plays it twice as fast, and 4 times creates a fast-forward effect. Higher speeds, such as 8 times to 16 times, create a time-lapse style effect. Clipchamp supports speed adjustments from 0.1 times up to 16 times, so you can choose the speed that fits your video. After adjusting the speed, preview the video to check the result. If needed, return to the speed settings and make further changes until you're satisfied. Keep in mind that if audio is attached to the video, changing the video speed will also change the audio speed. Once you are happy with the result, export your video. Thank you for watching the video.